Hey everyone, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall League of Legends while Riot Games is running. This can't be done while Riot Games is running. So if the Riot Client is open, you need to make sure all Riot Client processes are closed. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to try closing all the processes. To do this, you need to right-click on Start and go to Task Manager. In Task Manager, you'll need to close the processes. You'll see processes there, and you need to close all the ones related to Riot, like Riot Games, Riot Client, and Riot Games. Also, close Vanguard if it's running. Let's check if Vanguard is running. No, it's not running, and neither is Riot. Nothing related to Riot Games is running. If you still can't uninstall the game after this, then you'll need to go to Startup Apps where Riot Games is. First find VG Tray, which is Vanguard, and we disable it. If Riot Games is there, turn it off too so it doesn't start up with your systems. After that, restart your computer and try uninstalling it again. Well, in my case, I've already done everything, so I can just calmly go to the folder, or rather to the settings. Here I go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and here we type League of Legends. Oh, there it is, by the way, right away. Okay. And now we wait. I just have a lot of apps, so, well, plus the recording. So anyway, just click on the three dots and then click Remove. Overall, nothing complicated. It's uninstalling now. That's all. This has been me. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, by the way, you can also delete it through the game folder. That is, you go look for its folder, like Riot Games, and delete it manually the same way as Varric. That's it.